No, I'm kidding. Welcome back, or welcome to my YouTube channel! We hit 1K! Anyway, thank you guys so much for all the support. If you can't tell, I'm dressed for the gym. Gymshark fit. These shorts are literally from AliExpress, and I paid $8 for them. They're literally amplified dupes. Let me just put you on. Yeah, we're hitting glutes today, baby. Hit 1K and hitting glutes. I don't know, it sounds like a great combination to me. And we're heating up food. I'm eating ranch chicken and rice. I promise it looks way better. Bro, I bet I could flip this shit upside down and it won't even fall out. Should I try? Fucking Dairy Queen. Hi, we're going to the gym and I'm so excited! Even though I literally just don't have energy, but I have like a lot of energy, but I don't have a lot of energy. Oh, I have no fucking caffeine. I have my boyfriend's pre-workout, but like, we're gonna jam. Did I get water? Yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys at the gym! Alright, we're doing landmine RDLs right here. And I do 4 sets. I warm up with just a 45 plate, and then I'm gonna drop set the last one. I'm gonna take the 35 off, and yeah, this is literally deadly. I can never walk after this, so if you want pain, this is where you're gonna get. Like on the back of the wall because it helps with like stabilization because I'm so wobbly. So highly suggest if you have problems, I do 3 sets because they're deadly. So I just got out of bed and we're gonna have a beach day. That's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna have beach day and then I have to do like school later, but we're getting ready and go to the beach. So this is my outfit. My top is from Tavik and the bottoms are from Shein. My top is from Tavik and my bottoms are from Shein. If you watched my like bikini video, you know that this is like my favorite like tanning bikini. So this is the one that we're going with. Going to the beach, kids! I'm so excited. I haven't been to the beach in like so long, so this should be fun. Also, I have like a bajillion bags. I don't know, keep pressing a button on the side too. So hopefully that doesn't affect anything. Also, I think it might be really windy, so we'll see. anyway, so like for the time that I've been here, I think I've gotten like a decent amount of sun, so I think we're gonna pack it up and dip on the